me, Valentina. I'm not sure if you can see me, but the only thing that you can see right now is Beauty. She's doing something a little bit crazy. I don't know what she's doing. Maybe she's sleeping. I'm doing this. She just grabbed it. Did you just see that big bite? Whoa, Beauty. Here. Here. I just throw that thing to her. I think she's doing something a little bit crazy. Beauty. My dad is holding the camera. And if you watched the video that yesterday I went pumpkin picking. Okay. What's she doing? Oh, Beauty. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? What are you doing? What is that? What's that face that you're doing, Beauty? Okay, so now, I'm just going to let her do anything she wants to do right now. And I'm going to take you to my sister, Emma. She's somewhere here. Where is she? Emma, where are you? Say hi. This is my little sister Emma. If you saw that other video, that's great. But if you haven't, she's so cute. The video that was all about my dog Beauty, that was just my dad walking. Hey, Beauty! Come back here. Beauty. She's just sitting down. You do nothing. She's just right now trying to... I'm sorry, Emma. She's right now crazy. Beauty! Oh my god, what is she doing? Emma, you watch the camera. Watch the camera. You guys!
Yeah,
watch.
He's just playing about...
Beauty, get out of there! You're gonna get stuck! Get out of there! Get out of here!
Yeah, I got this Beauty. He's just playing in
Beauty.
the garden. And he's just playing in the garden.
Come here, Beauty. Beauty! Beauty! Emma, get Beauty for me, please. My sister's helping me. Careful. Hold Beauty here, please. There. Want to play with her? Yeah. Okay. Go. My sister's going to play with my dog, Beauty. That one over there, that's my mom washing the dishes and doing some things for us. But Beauty is right now trying to light my sister's hair. And I'm going to show you the fun. Hi, Beauty. Oh, no. She was trying to bite my face. She was trying to bite my face. No biting.
He's trying to bite my ponytails. And he's just playing
She calls braids ponytails because she doesn't know very well because she's a freak head.
And I am thinking, yeah. And my sister, she just prepared. I tried that she just.
I'm in second grade.
And he just and he's a pre-K too. And he's a pre-K.
No, I'm in I'm not in kindergarten or pre-K. I'm in second grade. She doesn't know very well.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna
say hi.
Hi guys. And right now I'm gonna show you my little sister right here. She's doing something a little crazy. I don't know what she's doing.
I got boo-boo. I got bandage in my elbow. And he's
I know if you see my hand is okay, but right now you can see us.
Yeah.
The toys are magical for your life.
Yeah, my sister and my mommy is washing the dishes. Yeah, my mom.
Emma be talking with our friends, okay? I'm gonna try and go and find my dog.
And our dog, his name is Billy. He's like
Come on, guys. Let's say bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching the BFF time.
Bye. Happy Rise. Bye. Happy Rise.
May
Vale, tú deberías grabarte así haciendo oficio también. Arreglando tu cama, doblando tu ropa.